From a live web page to a structured dataset, Minexa.ai compresses days of engineering work into a few clicks or a single API call to scrape real estate listings quickly and reliably. Go to your data page. Minexa handles everything else. Launch Minexa. This panel handles everything needed to turn a page into structured data. Press the button so Minexa reads the page structure. It detects whether results use pagination, infinite scroll, or a load more system automatically. Your data does not stop at the first page. Minexa detected the pagination and collects everything automatically. Select List Only to scrape just the items visible on the results page, or enable detail pages to also open each row and scrape its full content. Click Continue if you can already see the full dataset. Switch to Advanced Mode when the page needs an interaction to reveal the data. The highlighted block contains your dataset. Click Create Scraper to start the analysis. Every field is ready. Each one was found during training and stays consistent across all similar pages. Select what you need, or click on the page to pick any additional data points, like price or location. Click API Request to get Python code that is ready to run immediately. All the scraping logic from your training session is already built in. No automatic fill-ins. Click Complete Configuration, and missing fields will always come back blank. Multi-page coverage is confirmed. The scraper follows every page of results on each run automatically. Your scraping job is ready. Optionally connect Google Sheets, and every run will push fresh data there automatically. Launch Run to start extraction. Missing fields are returned as null, so output stay clean and database safe without guessed values. All of this was extracted automatically. JavaScript-heavy pages, delayed content, and request-level protections were handled without you needing to configure anything. You'll see details like property title, price, location, and listing date neatly organized. Export to Excel or JSON. Both formats keep the same structure so the data works consistently wherever you use it. Get started with Minexa and build a scraper once that runs reliably across millions of pages with consistent, predictable outputs.